Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for vector. A. If the vector P where we have 3i minus j plus with the 2k and the vector Q we have 2i plus 2j minus k shows that we have the situation given. So first what we have to do is to P cross with the vector Q. So here we have I, j and k. So substitute the vector P, so we have 3, negative 1 and 2. Then we have 2, 2, negative 1. So here we have I, j, then k. So kindly close up the situation. First, look at the I. Close up the I, so we will have 1 and 4. Close up the j, we have negative 3 and then 4. Close up the k, we have 6 and then plus with the 2. So P cross with the Q, we have negative 3i, positive 7j, and then we have the positive 8k. Next, modulus of vector P cross with the vector Q. So we have the formula, square root. So we have the 9 plus with the 49 plus with the 64. So we will have square root of 122. So based on the situation, modulus, or we can say the magnitude, P cross with the Q square. So we will have the situation 122. Next, focus on the right hand side. We have the magnitude or the modulus vector P. So we have the square root refers to the vector P. We have the 9 plus with the 1 plus with the 4. So we will have the situation square root of 14. Next, focus on the magnitude or the modulus of vector Q. Then we will have square root of, so 4 plus with the 4 plus with the 1. So we will have the situation 3. Next, based on the situation given, we have to square the situation given. So modulus of the magnitude, square, where we have 14. Next, modulus or the magnitude for the vector Q squared, then we will have the 9. Next, find the P dot Q. Vector P dot with the vector Q. So we will have the situation 3, negative 1 and 2. Dot with the situation 2, 2 and negative 1. So the process would be 6 minus the 2 minus the 2. So vector P dot with the vector Q where we have the situation 2. So based on the question given, vector P dot with the vector Q bracket, we have the square. So we have the 4. So based on the right hand side, we have the situation magnitude vector P square multiply with the magnitude Q square minus the P dot with the Q bracket square. So we will have 14 multiply with the 9 minus we have the 4. So by referring to the calculator, we have 122. So notice that we have the same value. So meaning that the magnitude for vector P cross with the vector Q squared equals to the magnitude for the vector P squared multiplied with the magnitude of vector Q squared minus bracket P dot with the Q bracket square is the same. So we already shown the situation given. Kindly refers to B. Given a triangle ABC, so we have A, B and C. We have the vector AB where we have 2A. We have the vector AC, we have 3B. Use the result in part A shows that we have the area of the triangle. So we have 1 over 2 modulus vector AB cross with the vector AC. So meaning that 1 over 2 modulus, we have the 2A cross with the 3B. So factor out the 6 where we have magnitude of vector A cross with the vector B. So we have 3 magnitude of vector A cross with the vector B. So kindly compare the situation with this part. So we will have 3 multiplied with the square root of magnitude of vector A squared multiplied with the magnitude of the vector B squared minus bracket we have A dot with the B bracket square. So that is the triangle ABC. area of the triangle ABC. So we already shown the situation given. Hence, deduce the area. So meaning that now refers to the situation, the vector A actually is the P, or the vector P. Same goes to the B, actually is the vector Q. So by referring to the question A, notice that we have this part where we have equals to 122. So we have 3 multiplied with the square root of 122. So that is the area of the triangle ABC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.